ibara lya Isitwe nerya Mwana nerya Mwoyo Mwikiriza. Amen.
Project Eji nemayonka hakasalaba water supply system kan project ya government ekozurwa kureba ngo kizubu cyibura rya mezi cyaho mu district ya Kibale kandi netekateka kuganyira abantu barukurenga 15 na rushanju omurumatare.
Kigendererwa cyo kutongoza amaizi gano kirikyo kumaraho ibura lya maizi hakasalaba. Hakasalaba kiri kikaro ekirimu businesses nyingi, ekirimu amasomero, ekirimu amarwaro agakwetaga amaizi. Amaizi gano aga hakasalaba tutakombekera amaizi bayeni basikira kubani baine tanks, water tanks, baine shallow wells. Kandi tura shallow wells zino ziri contaminated.
Omukutongoza project Eji omnyishengero wa Buyanja East Dr. Emre Kugonza obira lyo mjenyi mkuru ashabira abantu okoresa kurunja mizaga.
It's important to us. People and animals need water to drink. Children need water to bathe and wash their clothes.
Hati amaizi gano gamara kuhija obwomezi bw'abantu abekichweka kino naba barayijamuga nibuija kuba nibwongera kusemera habokuba amaizi gali mechumiho gakwikibwa habwokuba genseke esigalesere kurugana mbali gasangirwe hati gali hano mu town hati okuba na amaizi maingi nikija kuongeraho obuyonjo
kibagambire kurungi amaizi gano go kusasulira baitu akasenta akataito munywa amaizi amarungi kandi mube bomezi mukole emirimo yenkurakurana eyentaya.
Amizaga gakwasiwa ba Midwestern Umbrella of Water and Sanitation okugarebera.
Echo kubanze cyango munonga no kugira ngo ntuje kongera amaizi ahi contractor tabasize kugasya echo necho kubanza ekya kabiri mwena mwahurira ngo ahitwaza kutandikira kureberaga amaizi haba hariho connections zinji so teka ngu ogumwaka gutaka hoire connections zakwa zarengire omurigana.
Omugandi abebembezi batongoizo kutandika kwombe kamizi gensheke omuruka gwanganiko omugombora ya Nyabani omurikitagwenda district chwera abantu okorekeraho koresa mizi gamarofa.
Isi agatukukoza sabo nagatalabaniza abokubantu jeizuba tumalisa hayona tutakatahira maizi
onka ubwiro bwingi nkobwire bw'umushana gace kubona gabarabara muri gatari kunzira sinako ubwire bwa
Amizaga nigaza kuombe kwa ba Water for People bakwatanise na Ministry ya Mizi n'Obuyonjo kandi empatane ekwasiwa ba company ya Rubex Technical Service Limited kugombe chero meza ashatugonka.
And then we shall have coordination unit. We shall install the pump which is supposed to take water to Kahenda. We shall lay a distribution and transmission pipeline. We shall have the 3,000 liters tank to serve the villages of Kahenda. And then we shall be able to commission and monitor the project performance for a 6-month period.
amezi twagabona kandi turasima Water for People ekitongole ky'empabwezi abo tunywanira bakatubondera empiha okutandika zokoresa koraga amezi ekikuru munonga kandi abantu bitu baza kubona amezi marungi indwara zabakucendera nk'indwara nka kolera typhoid n'ebindi
kandi nka district teacher Tom Himbo munonga abokuba Water for People nyepitiremwe sente kandi manyangu agamizi gamara gukwa gaza kuyamba abantu bingi.
Entebe kansa neyo kugombe kombyare birumu kagorra A na B Kahenda Chemical B na Nganko C nebindi byaro.
A contractor that will embark on an extension of piped water scheme to our people. This arrangement will increase the water coverage from the current 62%, especially in the case of Nabani Sub-Camp, 70%. And as a district, we are very grateful to Water for People for supporting us.
Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze na Anthony Atwine.